Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about why the STEM server Bluesky invite code does not work anymore. Now if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure to click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know when any video is uploaded on this channel. Now if you check over my videos, you're going to see that I have created two different videos on how to get the Bluesky Social Invite code. You can see this right here and you can also see this right here. And then through these methods, I helped a lot of people to create Bluesky Social accounts. And if I go to my apps right here, you can see Bluesky right here. It's still a little bit buggy and it takes time to load because they've been doing some updates on the app. So it's actually kind of better, but it's still not the best. I mean, just look at this loading time. It takes so long to load up. So guys, the screen has finally loaded up, and when I tap on sign in, you can see right here my account is right here, textsurgeonyt.stems. Now a lot of people created this account using my video and the STEM server, and then when you come over to my Telegram channel right here, you can see I dropped the link to download the application right here, and then a lot of people have been benefiting creating the account. But then after a while, the STEM server code suddenly stopped working and nobody could create an account with the STEM server code anymore. And then I uploaded a lot of STEM server codes. I gave a lot of people a lot of STEM server codes, I think about 20 something or 30 or thereabout. And then using all these codes, nobody can actually create an account with Bluesky Social anymore using any of the STEM server invite code. Now the reason for this is because the STEM server invite code is basically just a temporary invite code to create an account. And I feel like when the app is launched massively worldwide, and then it becomes like it's an application that has left the beta stage and then is now available worldwide, then I feel like all STEM's accounts will probably be booted off the platform. I'm not completely sure, this is just a speculation. And then the only accounts that are going to be left on the Bluesky platform are going to be those that were created using actual invite codes from Bluesky. So basically this is kind of just like a temporary account, and then maybe when Bluesky found out that a lot of people were using the STEM server to create accounts instead of actual Bluesky codes, they decided to block the STEM's server invite code so that more people are going to join through the Bluesky social invite code, and they're not going to lose their account. So I feel like that's the reason why the STEM server invite codes do not work any longer. So if you want to create a Bluesky account, instead of looking for STEM codes, I feel like you should just sign up for the wait list, and then you should wait for a code to be sent to you in your mail whenever it's available. And for you to do that, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is you're going to come to your browser right here, and then you're just going to go to the Bluesky platform. And then once you're on the Bluesky platform, you just want to tap on Bluesky Social. You can see right here, that's https://bsky.app. Then you're going to enter your email right here, and then you're going to tap on join waitlist. Now once the app is getting launched worldwide, then you're going to get an invite code in your mail, and they'll be able to create a permanent Bluesky account. So basically guys, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure to click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.